Alright, this was 24 bucks. Shipped to my door. Alright. Tubular locks. You don't need a key. Just so we're clear, I work here, and even if I didn't, this machine is disabled. Okay? So, my understanding is... Wait. Sorry, this is hard to do with one hand. See? It's new because it's hard to take out. So, push all the pins forward. Okay? And then stick it into, well, it would help if you use the right size tool. Okay, it's the bigger one. Okay. Handy dandy little thing. Push all the pins forward. Put that in there. Twist. Oh, here we go. Would that take me 10 seconds? Stop using these locks.